Why? TikTok, informational purposes, news purposes, whatever purposes. Don't mess with my stuff, TikTok. This man deserves prison. I hope the prisoners in Gin Pop pick him up by his feet and dangle him over 2 to 3 stories by his feet and drop him the same way. The way I understand it, the kid survived, went to the hospital. But what in your ever living mind thought that it was alright to hold a child over a balcony to scare him? What says that that's okay? What logical thinking says that's okay? You're an idiot, you're a fool, and you deserve prison. And you deserve to be on that list that says you cannot be around children ever again. Ever again. Because if you're endangering a child like this, you're the same thing as, well, we know who the other people are that's on that. Those ones that love children. Yeah. You dropped him on his head at 2 stories. This is the kind of stuff that really takes me off and gets my goat. You got people like this that think it's funny to do stuff like that. I want to know what the mother was thinking. Was the mother fighting back? Was the mother saying no, don't do it? But yet he decided to do it. I mean, I don't know the full story. It's like with most of these articles. You get one side of the story. You don't get the full side. Because they have an agenda to push. But this one explains everything right in the headlines. That this guy had a disregard for child safety. A 4-year-old at that. That child's safety is in your hands. And yet you chose to pick him up by his feet and dangle him. This is the one where you stick him in a ring with some of these MMA fighters and tell them what he has done. Well, heck, prisoners at that. You tell them what they done. And you tell them, there it is, there's your one shot. Have fun with it. No hold, no bar, go at it. Let them have fun with him. Let them dangle him 4 or 5 stories above, because you got to equate, the child's little, so 2 stories, and so you add a few more stories because he's a bigger dude. He's not a child, so you put that little bit of fear in his heart and his soul. You let him have as many rounds as they want. These are the type of people that definitely need to go away. Never to walk in society again. Period. Am I for the unaliving penalty? Yes. Short rope, tall tree. Old-fashioned way. Get it over and done with. Don't feed them. This irks my nerves when I see stories like this pop up. that somebody thought it was a good idea to do this to a child or do that to a child, and the child has to pay for it the rest of their lives, not you. Well, yeah, hopefully you're paying for it. Hopefully you will pay for it the rest of your life behind those bars with those prisoners. Y'all, what you think about this in the comments. I think it's ridiculous. I think he should go away for life. Y'all have a good day. God bless.